This is a glueless Junny Jumbo braids. Do you want to know how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle on a full lace recap? Okay, yeah, I know you want to know that, so let's dive right into the video. Over here is our signature ventilated full lace recap, and guys, see how neat and full this is looking. I went ahead to pat this so it can be easy for me to braid on, and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm definitely going to loosen the first big braids because I don't understand what that one is looking like. So I'll leave you guys to it because it's self-explanatory. Whatever questions you have for me, you can leave it in the comment section down below. So guys, enjoy the video. You can as well rate this video in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts and your contributions concerning this hairstyle, or better still, if you have a better way of achieving this hairstyle, guys, you can tell us in the comment section down below. We can all learn from you as well. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more content on my social media handle, and share to your friends and your friends and your friends and your friends, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Ciao.